Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Dr. Kirti, Assistant Professor, Physiotherapy Department. So today we'll discuss about plyometrics. So the plyometric, the term was first coined in 1975, and it is now applied to exercises that have their roots in yoga. So the word plyo plus metrics is interrupted to mean measurable increases. So plyo means to increase and metric means to measure. So also known as stretch shortening drills or stretch strengthening drills and reactive neuromuscular training. So it is quick, powerful movement involving pre-stretching the muscle and activating the stretch shortening cycle to produce the stronger concentric contraction. It is defined as a system of high velocity resistance training characterized by a rapid eccentric contraction during which the muscle elongates, immediately followed by a rapid reversal of movement with a resisted shortening contraction of same muscle. So it is a form of resistance training and power training. So it heightens the excitability of nervous system for improved reactive ability of the neuromuscular system. So these are some of the examples of plyometrics. So physiology, it is thought to utilize the series elastic properties of soft tissue and stretch reflex of neuromuscular unit, and the series elastic components of tendon unit create elastic energy during the initial phase, that is stretch cycle, as the muscle contracts eccentrically and lengthens while loaded. So the energy is then stored and used during concentric contraction, that is shortening cycle that follows. The stretch shortening cycle is thought to stimulate the proprioceptors of muscle, tendon, ligament, and joints, increase the excitability of neuromuscular receptors, and improve the reactivity of neuromuscular system, also known as reactive neuromuscular training. So the stretch cycle prepares the contractile element for shortening cycle, and the muscle spindles lying parallel with fiber sense the length of muscle and velocity of stretch and transmit the information to central nervous system. Now from central nervous system, the signal sent back to the muscle, which facilitate reflexive shortening contraction of stretched muscle. Golgi tendon organ also play inhibitory role in the muscle activity. As muscles shorten, they are stimulated to send impulses to spinal cord, which relay facilitation to limit the force production. Also, excitatory level is high, so more stimulation is necessary to facilitate the response from Golgi tendon organ, allowing for increased tolerance for additional stretch. So there is a stretch shortening cycle shown phase wise, like in the phase 1 there is eccentric phase and stretch of the agonist muscle. The elastic energy stored in the series elastic component muscle spindles are stimulated. In phase 2, that is amortization, pause between phase 1 and 3. Type 1A efferent nerve synapse with alpha motor neurons, and alpha motor neurons transmit the signals to agonist muscle group. 3. Concentric shortening of agonist muscle fiber. Elastic energy is released from series elastic component. Alpha motor neurons stimulate the agonist muscle group. Thank you.